When you're first starting with workflows, one of the things that you may want to check out is our already created recipes. We've created some workflows that cover a lot of different situations, and so you may want to start with the recipes that are already created. Let me show you how to dive in. Now, if you've got your automation tab selected here, and you can see workflows right here, what you're going to do is go to Create Workflow. And when you do that, right below Import from Campaign and Start from Scratch, you're going to see the word recipe. These are all recipes of campaigns that are already set up, ready to go. So for example, here's one on list reactivation. Here's one on birthday templates to do birthday promotions. Here's one on Facebook Messenger. When an inbound Facebook message is waiting, reply and remove the pending tag, or will prompt the lead to share a phone number in 30 minutes. So all these little things that you can do that are already set up, ready to go, you can go ahead and use them in a workflow. So let's check out this list reactivation one. Here's an incredible way to generate leads for any business that already has a list. It requires no ad spend and AI filters positive responses. So what you do is you select the recipe you want to use and click Create New Workflow. What that's going to do is import all the settings that's already set up. So as you can see, this can start out with it already created, ready to go for you. So for example, here's one where it looks like it's a free whitening offer. Here's like a sample dentist one. So hi, contact first name. I've got 10 free whitening vouchers here on my desk. Would you be interested in one? So obviously, maybe you're not a dentist. Maybe you have a different business. What you can do is go through and customize this. Maybe it's a free 10-day pass, right? So you go in, I've got 10 free 10-day passes. And you can delete that out. So you don't have to start from scratch. You've got recipes that are already set up. So when you use the recipes, you do want to go through them and check on each thing. But as you can see, here's this recipe. We text out, here's a free whitening offer. It's going to wait an hour and then ask, did they reply within an hour? If the answer is yes, it's going to say, was it positive? And then it'll send them next steps on how to take advantage of it. If it's not, what it'll do is send them a text message. Look at this. No worries. So it can automate all of this and do this for you. If they didn't reply, it'll do another attempt. Hey, just checking back to see if you'd be interested in a free whitening voucher. So you can use these recipes to start building out awesome automations for your business. These already work. They're already created. You just got to go through and customize them a little bit to work for your business and your niche.